Welcome to Dairy Robot Radio, the show that provides answers to your most pressing questions about dairy farming and automation. Each episode will focus on a major topic within the dairy industry and will feature experts throughout our industry and within Lely to help provide information and different perspectives on automation. And now, here's your host, Preston Vincent.
Welcome to Lely North America's new podcast series, Dairy Robot Radio. I'm Preston Vincent, and I lead the Dairy Excel brand here at Lely North America, and you'll be getting to know us as we host episodes for our Red Cow community and getting to know other Lely experts as we expand into all areas of the dairy industry and large farm automation. Our Red Cow community is a community made up of active users of 8 robot dairies and larger. Each episode, we'll be talking to industry experts within the Lely family, our large herd Red Cow members and dairy farmers just like you. You'll hear different perspectives and insights as we tackle the issues you're facing within your business. Our focus and goal of the podcast is to center our discussions around 3 central themes: educating, learning, and community. We look forward to growing within this community along with you. Some of the topics we'll focus on include financing dairy robots, automation in large herd dairies, feeding and nutrition, maintenance of robots, and so much more. We're excited to have you join us each month as we dive into the biggest topics and questions our dairy producers have regarding dairy farming and automation. For more information, visit dairyrobotradio.com, where you can listen to new episodes as well as get information about our topics and guests. You won't want to miss hearing from our experts on the most discussed topics in the dairy industry today. You can also find us on Facebook under Lely North America or on Twitter at Dairy Robot. And please reach out to us with any topics or ideas for future shows at podcasts@lely.com.
You've been listening to Dairy Robot Radio, the show for dairy producers who want their questions answered by experts in dairy automation. Connect with us at dairyrobotradio.com to listen to all episodes and learn more about the topics and guests on the show. You can also find us on iTunes, Google Play, Stitcher, and Spotify.